Tired of the annoying hat? Discover the solutions from them once and for all and regain your self-confidence. Get rid of new dandruff with hair and not healthy, an unpleasant problem in the appearance of hair, causing itching and embarrassment. Fortunately, there are many ways from which it is caused. Here are some preparation that you can follow. With the appearance of dandruff. Dry hair leads to flaking of the skin. Pharaoh religious, a species of fungi for dandruff. Eczema and psoriasis, from luxury skin diseases. Use of good hair products, shampoo and conditioner may be able to affect the hair. Methods of compensation for dandruff. The use of special shampoos for dandruff contains. These shampoos contain active ingredients that help get rid of fungus and dandruff. Cleaning the scalp. Wash your hair with the right shampoo because there is no drastic change in your hair. Scalp peeling. Uses natural scalp scrubs from dead skin and skin patches. Moisturizing the scalp. Uses natural oils such as coconut oil or olive oil to moisturize and dry the scalp. Avoid attention and pressure. This can lead to dealing with the dandruff problem. Eat healthy. Chinese vitamin-rich food helps to improve the health of hair and scalp. Note: if you decide to cancel a problem unless this is dermatological, consult a doctor to diagnose your condition and determine the appropriate treatment. Additional tips. Do not rub your scalp at first. This may lead to a study of the scalp. Dry your hair. Avoid rubbing the hair with the total towel. Do not use thermal styling tools frequently. It may dry out the hair. After such natural preparations and recipes, you can get rid of dandruff and restore your self-confidence.